Hi friends, I'm Sarah and welcome to Primrose and Prims. If you're returning to my channel, welcome back. And if you're new, I'm really happy you decided to stop by. If you love DIY home decors, thrift hauls, flips, decorating ideas for your home, and money saving tips and recommendations, then I really hope you'll just hit that subscribe button and stick around for a while. As a busy mom of 4 kids, guys, I know how expensive life can get, but I don't think having a beautiful home should have to be. So, what do I have for you today? Today, we are going to be using these witch wreath forms from the Dollar Tree. And I know everybody's probably seen them. Some people, I don't know if you know what to do with them or not. I actually found these at a yard sale that somebody got rid of. I got both of them for 50 cents. So, good deal, but you can find these right now in the Dollar Tree and the Halloween section. I actually have a couple different options of these that I'm going to show you today for fall. One is going to be a cute little witch wreath, but if you're not into Halloween decorations and you want something else, we're also going to make a little scarecrow one. So stick around and we'll get right to it. To start off, I'm going to wrap black tulle around the cone part of my wreath form. Now I've had this roll of tulle in my craft stash, but you can find tulle at Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Walmart, pretty much any craft store, and it's a fairly inexpensive item. Just wrap it around your wreath until you get nice, good coverage. Add a dab of hot glue to hold it down, and that's the first part. Next, I'm going to take this orange tulle from the Dollar Tree. Now, you can find this in the Halloween section right now, and I'm just going to layer this over top of the black tulle. Little quick tip here, if you want to get this to lay flat as you move up your hat form, give the tulle a twist in the back as you wrap it. That way it'll take up the extra slack as your hat form tapers, and you'll get a nice flat coverage. Next, we're going to make the brim, and I'm going to use 6-inch black and orange deco mesh. Now, this deco mesh here, this came from the Dollar Tree. I've had some mixed reviews on the Dollar Tree deco mesh. I know it tends to fray a little more. You know, if you've ever used it, leave me a comment. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on the Dollar Tree deco mesh. But anyways, I'm going to cut this down into 12-inch strips in the black and the orange. And we're going to be using bunched up bundles to make our brim. I'll be sure to leave all of the supplies, the dimensions, everything you need down in the description box too, so if you miss something here, no big deal. Check down there. I'm also going to get out my pipe cleaners, and I like to preload them when I'm doing bunches already onto my wreath form. It just makes it easier for me. I'm going to start with 2 black mesh bundles, scrunch them up in the middle, put them together, and start in that far corner and use my pipe cleaners to tie them down. Then I'm going to alternate using a black and an orange mesh to make a bundle. I'm just going to continue to alternate between the all black mesh bundles and the black and orange mesh bundles across my wreath. This project I ended up using 2 rolls of the black mesh and 1 of the orange mesh total. Just keep going, mushing those bundles together so your wreath looks nice and full until you get it into a place you're happy. And here's kind of what it looks like. Now on the top part, I'm going to use 2 black mesh and 1 orange and connect it right to the tip of that wreath form with a pipe cleaner. Now for our bow. Now I love big bows. And I'm going to use my easy bow maker. I absolutely love this little gadget. It makes putting together big bows so much easier. I'll add a link in the description box down below just in case you're interested. Now for this bow, I am using Halloween ribbon all from the Dollar Tree. I'm using a black, a jack-o'-lantern print, and a black and orange marquise ribbon. I love black and orange ribbon. I think it's so pretty. I'm going to make the first set of loops at 6 inches. And I'm going to put 3 loops for individual ribbon. Once you get your bow all put together, pull it off your bow maker and secure it tightly with a pipe cleaner. Don't forget to dovetail those ends. It just makes it look so much more finished. To attach your bow, I'm just using another pipe cleaner, reaching down, finding that wreath frame, and putting it down there, and then fluff that big beautiful bow out. Next, I'm going to take my ribbons that I used in my bow, and I'm going to cut 10-inch strips of each kind. Oh, I'm sorry, I used the black and orange marquise and the pumpkin ribbon. Dovetail the ends, and then I'm going to take and tuck them down into my bundles to help fill out my wreath. I'm going to use the same pipe cleaners that I used to attach the bundles on, the extra leftover tails to secure the ribbon. Go through, alternate your ribbon colors until it looks nice and full and you're happy. Also going to take a couple of these ribbons and put on the top bundle on the tip of the hat. Next, we're going to add some fun embellishments. I use these black and orange glitter balls. They are from the Dollar Tree. 2 of those. 2 of the orange glitter picks, also from the Dollar Tree. And a pack of the orange glitter jack-o'-lanterns. So bringing some down into the top of the hat until I was happy with it, how I thought it looked good, and used hot glue to secure it all down. And here's how it turned out. I absolutely love it. The colors just pop. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. I'm in love with this one. Our second hat, Scarecrow wreath hat. For the top of this hat, I'm going to use some cream colored burlap to hot glue and wrap around the wreath frame. Burlap is very cost effective. You can find it any craft store, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Walmart. It's fairly inexpensive. Hot glue it to the frame and just cut off your excess. Then I'm just going to layer as I go up, and I'm layering it because one layer of the burlap tends to show through those cross section of the wreath frames. So when I layer it over top of it, it hides those so you don't see them. Continue to hot glue it up, chop off the excess. And at the very tip, leave a little section open, don't completely hot glue it down, so you can put a little bunch of deco mesh at the top there. I'm going to take, cut all of my pipe cleaners in half, and for this wreath, I'm going to use the bubble method of deco mesh. Now this is a 10-inch jute mesh. This is from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. It's in the burlap color. To start off, I'm going to fold it under and use one of my pipe cleaners to secure it underneath so you don't see it. Then I'm going to take and make about a 6-inch poof, a little bubble, and use a pipe cleaner to tack it down. I'm going to continue to make my little poofs or bubbles across the top section of my wreath and use my pipe cleaners to glue them down. Now when I get to this end section, I'm going to tuck it under again and use my pipe cleaner to secure it underneath so you don't see that pipe cleaner sticking out there on the corner. It makes it just a little more cleaner. Then continue back across the bottom, push those poofs together so you get a nice full coverage. Next, I'm going to use this fall tricolored deco mesh from the Dollar Tree. I think 2 bundles of it, or 2 rolls of this total. Bunch it up and then put it in between each of those poofs. That's just a really pretty pop of color. Here's what it looks like so far. For the top, I'm going to take about a 10-inch strip of the jute colored mesh and then 2 of the Dollar Tree multicolored mesh to make a little bundle to tuck there on the top in that little section where we left a little hole through it. Next, for my bow, once again I'm using Dollar Tree fall ribbon, all stuff you can find right now. I'm using an orange with fall leaf and one that says like autumn blessings and a couple other little sayings on it. I'm once again making 6-inch loops, 3 loops of each color with my easy bow maker. Once you get it all together, pull it off and secure it tightly with the pipe cleaner. And don't forget to dovetail those ends. Go through your wreath, find your wreath form, and just use your pipe cleaner to attach it and fluff that bow out. Now I'm going to take each of the types of ribbon that I used in my bow and cut 10-inch strips, dovetail the ends. And I'll use these to tuck down in the wreath to help finish filling it out and add some more color to it. Fold it in half and bunch it, and use those same pipe cleaners that you used to secure your poofs and the original mesh. Alternate your ribbons until it is to a place that you're happy with. Also, I'm adding one of each of the ribbons to the top. It's a Scarecrow hat, so of course we need a little bit of straw. I'm using raffia and I'm just tucking that down in between, using the pipe cleaners there. Now for embellishments, I used this little sign that was from the Dollar Tree. It had 3 on it originally and I cut it apart, and I'm using the one that says blessed. I have some pack of leaves that come from the Dollar Tree. Just arrange them around it to a place where I think it looks good, that I'm happy with it, not glue them down. play with it and make it your own. I'm going to also add a few leaves to the top here underneath the hat. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little pipe cleaner right there to the back, twist it in a circle, and so I have a way to aim it. Here it is. I think this is so cute. It is just screams fall. So that's it for today. I really hope you liked our little witch's hat and scarecrow hat wreaths. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment and let me know. Until next time, friends. Bye.